do it go?
Anything you want. Bye-bye. 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 Night, babies. Bye. Bye. Are we the producers of this touch? I get this feeling. Na 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 na.
Ako yung nahihilo, diba?
Nahihilo na po si Maui. So first, introduce yourself.
My name is Anna Alexandra Kikip and I am a graduating batch. I am from this graduating batch.
Take to tayo. So first, introduce yourself.
Ay, okay.
Ulit. Ana, no! No! Bakit mo kami iwan?
Babalik din ako.
Wala ka babalik.
Ite.
Bye, Ana! She's gone out of my Di na ko umbe. 7 agad! Yay! So, yun na nga. Parang, at this point, at this juncture, at this point, mahihit ko na yung goal ko na 10 interviewees. But, Maui said that I'm going to interview all of the graduating. Kuya Koji, ayun. So, yun na nga sa backmas na natin siya i-interview. Ambush questions, di ba? Like, di ba? Ang ganda. So, thank you for the interviews for today. And tara, commercial break tayo sa ano. Sponsored by Jollibee.
Si Ma'am... Wait, cut pala.
Okay. Teka, ano muna tayo? 1, 2, 3. Doon sa part na yun. Pangalawa.
Wait.
Si Miss G.
Si Miss G, ano ba?
Ayun.
Inisip ko.
Okay lang.
Tapos parang ang awkward pala pag Narisa sinabi ko. Inisip ko Miss G or Narisa sabihin ko.
Miss G na lang. Sige. So, ayun. Continue.
Dapat pala dun tayo. Sa X.
Oo nga pa. Uy, wala na ako sa camera. Ayan.
Ayan si Aaron. Aaron! Anong flavor yan?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Ano lasa?
Lasa strawberry.
So, throughout the literature course, what literary theory suits your life today?
Ah, shit.
Ulit. Take to tayo. Nagmura siya, bawal ma'am. Ang mamimiss mong prof.
Ah, shit. Baka si Ma'am G talaga.
Ulit, kasi
Ano nga pala? Sorry.
no curse word, please.
Sorry na.
Teka, behind the scenes yun. Grabe. Okay lang, okay. Number 6.
Hindi siya malaki. Pero, I remember nung second year before mag-pandemic, with my original batch pa ako, nasa computer lab kami. Tapos, nasa likod kami na row. Tapos, yung seatmate ko tsaka ako, umiiyak kami ng sabay while facing dun sa computer kasi I was watching a show. Tapos she was listening to Taylor Swift. Tapos umiiyak kami. Tapos parang nagkatinginan kaming ganun. So, umiiyak kami. So, tumawa lang kami kasi bakit tayo umiiyak? So I think yun yung pinaka-funniest.
Yan po, behind the scenes with our producer, Tiffany Malo. Recording pala yan.
Recording pala yan! Oh my gosh!
Kanina pa. Go. So without further ado, tara, mag-abay ulit. Take to take.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Teka na huli. Go. Also, this program is my experience. Go. Cause I'm a really tough kid. I can handle my shit. This is gonna fake it till you make it. And I did. Camera bitch ma. Even when you wanna die. Na-record ba yun? Also, this program contains my experiences in life in making this program. And also, the most awaited part of the competition. ulit. Sige na. UST, nag-backmask lang kami, tapos wala na kaming access sa mga buildings. Like, talagang, niliteral talaga nila na pag nag-exit tayo ng the Arc of the Centuries, wala na. Bala na kayo. You cannot enter here. Parang gano'n. Kahit na may queue pa, ano pa naman tayo, di ba?
Who are you people? Pero at least kasi kita pa rin yung memes natin. Like we're sending it.
Be, may queue pa. Don't mention that. We need to
Mga failed dates
we need to get our good moral certificate.
Feeling ko
Uy.
good morals.
Good morals.
Kaya sila, good morals ka.
Uy. Hindi ko include to. Sige lang. Sige.
Surprise! Oh, miss ko kay Ian. Bakit naka-zoom yung mukha?